Keep it even, character A. More concrete here. Watch your step. Leveling out now.
This is going to be magnificent. Keep smoothing out that corner.
Got it, almost done here.
Hand me the panel.
Catch.
Looks good, lights going on now.
Let's clean up and call it a day.
The team is making great progress. Patching and wiring are almost done. Excellent, let's get those lights in. Finished product looks fantastic. The living room looks great, but we still have work to do here in the bedroom.
Excellent to what winners. Excellent to any. Excellent sugar cheese.
The transformation begins. Framing is up. Wiring complete. Marble and finishing touches. And there you have it.
Keep moving. All right, over here. Quick step. All right, almost done.
The railings are secure.
Ready for polishing.
Final touches on the lighting. And we are finished.
The staircase is beautiful. Now, let's see how much work is left up here. This is just a temporary barrier.
กำลังกินนี้ตรงนี้หูยบเท่าเลยนะครับเนี่ยสมพี่ทุนเพียรทุนนะทุนหน้าตอนคอยตายครับ
All right, through here. This room needs a complete overhaul. See the peeling walls and old window? We need to modernize everything.